firstly, thank you so much for your time and space here to attend this webinar, and wishing you all a belated happy Holi as well as happy completion of the financial year, and all the best for the stepping year, financial year. And yes, now let us move towards what is the basic introduction of Rajlakshmi Tech Solutions Private Limited. Okay, basically we are into software sales and services. So let us see what are the softwares with which we are playing around and what are the services we are providing according to the softwares. So we are into Tally ERP 9 to Tally Prime, an accounting software, and we are into SAP Business One, a key for every business solution. We are into Bitrix CRM, a customer relationship management, a complete system management, specifically work from home system can be managed very easily with the Bitrix software. And we are into Skill India, a government project which is specifically concerned for the education and employment of children. And we are into Acronis, a cloud backup software, which is also a very, very demanded software to secure your data safely and flexibly. And we are into many different services along with this. That is like HR services specifically to be mentioned. In this pandemic scenario, things has been changed a lot. So we are providing a HR services wherein we are completely concentrating to like manage the system, organize the system of an organization, and for documentation we are supporting as well as we are setting up the work from home. And apart from this, we are into digital media services also. Digital media marketing as well as services is nothing but handling all your social media channels like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, WeChat, etc., etc. So this is really a very important thing as of now. The world has been converted to the virtual like working, virtual system, virtual process. So in this platform, this is only platform wherein give a big reach of your organization to the world. So this is what we provided. Beyond this, with the softwares, with the services, what we do, we generate sales, we do support, we do services, we do customization and so altogether the customization is not just work and set up the software as per your requirement with your comfortabilities. And when I talk about advisory, it is nothing but the right time, the right job, the right change on the right place. This is what advisory is all about. All right, this is what we do. This is the basic information. Just to have much more exploring onto Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited, request you to please do visit www.rajlakshmiworld.com and do type Rajlakshmi World into Google. You'll be finding the YouTube link, Facebook link, Twitter link, and etc. So you can go onto all these sites and in depth you can analyze what we do exactly and how we are going to help you and your organization as an individual, as a team. Alright, so before moving ahead to the webinar, I wish to give few instructions here. This call is getting recorded. Customers request here to give the record access. Request you to please give us some time. We are already recording the call because this is the system of Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited. We are recording the call by couple of days. This recorded video will be uploaded into the YouTube channel. So there you can go and check it out. And beyond that, request you to please put your email IDs in the chat box. Request everyone to please update your email box. By a couple of days, once we upload this video into the YouTube channel, we will be mailing you the link so that for you. So altogether, apart from this, if you have any questions or any doubts, request you to please update in the comment box, or else you can just wait for the session. Let us give a space to the speakers here, and once we pass out the session, you can just raise your hands. By the end of the session, we have a discussion or else your questions will be updated into YouTube channel as a video with the responses, with the right responses. That also will be very beneficial for you. So for everything, all you need to do is just do subscribe our channel. We have already given the link into the chat, as well as we have given you the contact details into the chat. So request you to please click on to the link now itself to subscribe our channel as well as to follow us, because once you disconnect the call, you will not be able to access the message. You can check now the message is on, so you can just click onto it. This is what all about the basic introduction of Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited. Today's hottest topic, that is the audit trial with Tally. Audit is really a very, very important thing which happens in any organization. So it really gives us an analyzation that how our system is going on, how our system is processed, and what changes we can get in the next financial year, or in the next process, or in the next system. So it is very important to understand now with Tally what happens here. So let us welcome the speakers here. So Mrs. Rajaswal, are you here?
Yes, Deepa.
Hi, Mrs. Rajaswal. Hearty welcome to this. And Mrs. Maliha, are you here?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Ms. Maliha. Thank you so much for joining us, and hearty welcome to the webinar. And Mr. Bhagwati, are you here?
Hi, Deepa. Hi, good afternoon. Bhagwati here.
Hi, Mr. Bhagwati. Good afternoon, good evening to you, and thank you so much for your time and pleasure, and welcome to the weekly webinar session.
Thank you.
All right, altogetherly now the speakers are ready, so this is the right time. Let us just move ahead onto the session and start up the session. It's over to you, Mrs. Rajaswal and Ms. Maliha. Just present, just give your introduction first, and then move ahead with your presentation. Thank you so much, and it's over to you guys.
Thank you, ma'am. It is visible, ma'am?
Yes, Maria.
Hello, everyone. Good evening. Welcome to the Rajlakshmi family. I am Maliha here from Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited as a Senior Sales Associate. First of all, thanks to all the participants for being here today, and warm welcome you all to the most awaited webinar, that is Audit Trial module. Our today webinar on Audit Trial with Tally. So, what is Audit Trial module? Audit Trial is if you finalized your balance sheet, after that someone altered the transaction in that, so it is create a big problem. With the help of this Audit Trial module, you can track your altered transaction history. Okay, so in next slide we will see what are the challenges we are facing today. So tracking the altered transaction is very difficult. See, यहाँ पर आप अपने अल्टर्ड ट्रांजैक्शन के हिस्ट्री को कैसे ट्रैक करें, ये आपके लिए काफी डिफिकल्ट होता है कि किसने अल्टर्ड किया है, क्यों और कब आपका ट्रांजैक्शन अल्टर्ड किया गया है. सेकेंड, इट मे कॉज इन जीएसटी रिटर्न्स. ये आपके जीएसटी रिटर्न में भी प्रॉब्लम करता है. इफ आपने रिटर्न सबमिट कर दिया है, सबमिशन के बाद अगर किसी ने ट्रांजैक्शन को अल्टर्ड किया तो मिसमैच में प्रॉब्लम होती है, जो कि एक बहुत बड़ा इशू है. तो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पर आते हैं, लाइक कैन वी ओवरकम दिस प्रॉब्लम, इट इज पॉसिबल टू सुपरवाइज द ट्रांजैक्शन. सो हियर माय आंसर इज बिग yes. Yes, the solution is here. Our audit trial module. It is useful tool to keep the track of who has created the transaction and what changes has been made. ये एक ऐसा यूजफुल टूल है जहां आप अपने ये ट्रैकिंग रख सकते हो कि किसने ट्रांजैक्शन को क्रिएट किया है और उसमें क्या चेंजेस किया है. ठीक है, अभी हमने चैलेंजेस देखा, सॉल्यूशन देखा. नाउ वी विल सी द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड विद ऑडिट ट्रायल बेनिफिट्स. So You can easily track and self-audit the altered transaction with parameters of users, date and time with the reason. So यहाँ पर आप खुद अपने ट्रांजैक्शन को ऑडिट कर सकते हो, आप देख सकते हो, आप ये मेंटेन कर सकते हो कि किस यूजर ने ट्रांजैक्शन को अल्टर्ड किया है, किस डेट को किया है एंड किस टाइम को किया है. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज रीजन, किस लिए उसे अल्टर्ड किया गया है. ठीक है, अब हमने यहाँ पर चैलेंजेस देखा, सॉल्यूशंस देखा एंड बेनिफिट्स देखा कि किस तरह ये ऑडिट ट्रायल मॉड्यूल आपके बिजनेस के ट्रांजैक्शन की हिस्ट्री को कैसे ट्रैक करता है. राइट, सो वी विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड वेयर वी विल सी हाउ डज इट लुक. Here's the look. Oh great, it looks the same as just discussed. It's showing all the details like date, time, who has altered the transaction with the reason. Okay, as मैं यहाँ पर ये बोलना चाहूँगी, as a business owner or a responsible person, you are the responsible for recording your company transaction. So your problem is solved and the solution is here. Then what you all are waiting for? Let's grab the opportunity, take the module and make your business easier. Also, it save your time and keep your business on track, right? Now I think you all are excited for the demonstration. Okay, so I requested to Raj ma'am, please continue the live demonstration. Thank you everyone.
Thank you Maliha. Thank you for the presentation. Good evening everyone. Heartily welcome in the training session of audit trial. Myself Raj Jaiswal from Raj Lakshmi Solution Private Limited. Past 10 years I am working with Raj Lakshmi Solution Private Limited. Now let's move for the today topic, that is audit trial. Malia, it's visible, my screen?
Yes ma'am, it's visible.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
ऑडिट ट्रायल एक ऐसा मॉड्यूल है जो राजलक्ष्मी सॉल्यूशन प्राइवेट लिमिटेड ने डेवलप किया हुआ है. ये टैली का कोई भी बाय डिफॉल्ट फीचर्स नहीं है, इसको कस्टमाइज किया हुआ है राजलक्ष्मी ने. और ये कस्टमाइज मॉड्यूल को लगाया कैसे जाता है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं आपको वो बता देती हूँ. F1 हेल्प फाइल, यहाँ पे TDL एंड एड ऑन फाइल्स है, जहाँ पे F4 करके आपके पास जो फाइल रहती है वो फाइल यहाँ पर अटैच की जाती है. और जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने यहाँ पे ऑडिट ट्रायल TCP फाइल यहाँ पे लगाई हुई है और उसको एंटर किया हुआ है. उसके बाद यहाँ पे एड ऑन फीचर्स है, दैट इसको यहाँ से अगर ये यस रहेगा तब ये एप्लीकेबल होगा, अगर ये नो होगा तो ये एप्लीकेबल नहीं होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल मैं कोई एंट्री पास करती हूँ. मैंने कोई भी आइटम एक सेल आउट किया है 100 200 रेट्स. आप यहाँ पे देखेंगे ये एंट्री मेरी यहाँ पे दिख रही है, राइट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये मेरा एक नॉर्मल यूजर था, मैं अभी यूजर चेंज करती हूँ, फॉर एग्जाम्पल एडमिन. अब आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर आपको टैली के फर्स्ट स्क्रीन पे एक ऑप्शन दिख रहा है, दैट इज वाउचर हिस्ट्री. ये जो TCP आप लगाएंगे उससे वाउचर हिस्ट्री ये ऑप्शन आपको दिखाई देता है, जो टैली के बाय डिफॉल्ट फीचर्स में नहीं है. इस वाउचर हिस्ट्री में ही हमें जो भी ट्रांजैक्शन अल्टर हुए रहेंगे, अपडेट हुए रहेंगे, वो सारे के सारे रिकॉर्ड्स हमें यहाँ पे देखने के लिए मिल जाते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने यहाँ पे ये एंट्री मारी हुई थी सेकंड को, अब मैं इसको जाके अल्टर करती हूँ. फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने यहाँ पे क्वांटिटी चेंज किया, रेट भी चेंज किया. यहाँ से रिमार्क डाले बिना मुझे टैली आगे एक्सेस करने नहीं देगा, तो यहाँ मुझे लो सो क्वांटिटी एंड रेट इज चेंज्ड। मैं फिर से एडमिन बंद करती हूँ, मैं एज नॉर्मल यूजर फिर यूज करती हूँ। उसी एंट्री को मैं फिर से एंटर करती हूँ। अब यहाँ पे मैंने सिर्फ रेट चेंज किया। अभी सारे रिकॉर्ड्स मैं अपने एडमिन देखना चाहती हूँ। वो रिकॉर्ड्स मुझे मेरे एडमिन से लॉगिन करूंगी तो यहाँ पे ये वाउचर हिस्ट्री में एंटर करते ही यहाँ पे ऐसे ही मुझे कब का देखना है, मुझे डेली का डेली ट्रांजेक्शन हिस्ट्री देखनी है, वीकली देखनी है, क्वार्टरली देखनी है, ईयरली देखनी है। मुझे जैसे टैली की बाय डिफॉल्ट आप रिपोर्ट्स चेक करते हैं वैसे आप ये रिपोर्ट्स भी चेक कर सकते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल मुझे एक दिन का देखना है तो मैंने एक दिन के लिए एंटर किया। यहाँ पे देखिए मेरे सेकंड तारीख में जो भी ट्रांजेक्शन थे वो दोनों ट्रांजेक्शन यहाँ पे मुझे दिखाई दे रहे हैं। यहाँ पे डिटेल्ड करके एक ऑप्शन है, इसको मैं अगर क्लिक करती हूँ तो यहाँ पे देखिए मैंने फॉर एग्जांपल अभी की जो मैंने लेटेस्ट एंट्री आप सबके सामने पास की थी, अभी मैंने 1621 को पहले ए से बनाया था जिसका कोई रीजन मेंशन नहीं किया था, जिस नॉर्मल एंट्री क्रिएट की हुई थी मैंने। उसके बाद एडमिन से मैंने क्वांटिटी और रेट मैंने चेंज किया तो वो यहाँ पे रीजन दिखाई दे रहा है। फिर नेक्स्ट मैंने जो अभी लेटेस्ट 23 को चेंज किया है लॉगिन, सेकंड लॉगिन दैट इज बी रीजन डाला था वो यहाँ पे। ऐसे ही आप कोई भी ट्रांजैक्शन होने दीजिए, आप यहाँ पे देखना चाहते हैं तो आपको सारी के सारी रिपोर्ट्स यहाँ पे मिल जाएगी। फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने आपको एक दिन का दिखाया है, मैं 2 दिन का ले लेती हूँ ट्रांजैक्शन और मैं यहाँ पे डिटेल ऑप्शन करती हूँ तो ये देखिए जितना भी एंट्री अल्टर्ड मोड जो भी कुछ रीजन से डाटा रहेगा सब कुछ यहाँ पे आपको A to Z आपको दिखाई देगा कि क्लैरिटी के साथ कि कहाँ किसने क्यों चेंजेस किया हुआ है। विदाउट रीजन टैली आपको आगे एक्सेस करने नहीं देगा। सो दैट इज ऑल वाउचर हिस्ट्री ऑडिट ट्रायल। That is end of my session. Thank you everyone. Now hand over to you, Deepa.
Thank you, Rajeshwal. It was pleasure having your session here. See, it is really a very simple process, I could say, or a very simple thing which really saves our time, which really makes our work flexible. So I think you have given like us a very productive thing, Mrs. Rajeshwal and Ms. Maliha. So now let us see beyond these theories or beyond these demo, there might be some things which we are supposed to know. So that let us talk to the resource person here. So Mr. Bhagwati, are you here?
Yes, Deepa. Yeah, I'm here.
Hi, Mr. Bhagwati. Mrs. Rajeshwal and Maliha, they just gave their demo as well as their presentation here theoretically and demo live we already saw. But yes, there might be certain things which will be more effective if we add. So it's over to you, Mr. Bhagwati. You can just give an over recap on today's topic and then we can move on to further discussion.
Yeah, thank you, Deepa. Thank you very much. And I am Bhagwati here from Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited. So now this is the audit trial modules. Yeah, everyone is struggling in terms of the data. Once data entry is done, audit is done, and people are changing the transactions. This is a big challenge of every organization. Many times in different scenarios, in terms of the taxations and compliance, yeah, there is one challenge. In terms of the that level of the organization, there is owner is not there, admin is not there, just that organization running by the normal people. So admin also want to know about that things, how much time the transaction is done. So there is a multiple scenarios. Once audit is done, in first scenario, audit is done. Or GST, you file the GST returns like 3B on GSTR1 or reconcile the GSTR2A. That time, once you reconcile, but your people are accessing the data, backdate data, and they are editing the data. They pass the voucher, they alter the voucher, they change the quantities. And in terms of the e-way bill, in terms of the e-invoicing, there is again big challenge that is also a part of the compliance. So people have to know, organization, admin, manager, CEO, CFO, and directors level people want to know who is doing these things. So they can give the training, and they can give the training to that person. They can use the Tally in proper manner way. So that's why every organization have need this type of audit trail models. So they can get easily how much time any transactions is edited, altered, and when the transaction is passed, and who is altered, why they altered. So all the transparency is there. So owner or director level people and senior level people can identify this problem, and they can give the training to that people. They can work smoothly in terms of the tally, in terms of the transaction, in terms of the data entry, in terms of the any type of transactions and all the type of visibilities. So you can save your time. Second, work smoothly. You can also save, audit compliance models like GST and TDS like that. And second points, yes, owner is not there in the organization, people are doing the transactions. The same position, owner want to know how much time they alter the transaction, or why they alter the transactions. Once they sell one product in the 1,000 rupees, after they edit the transactions, and why they edit the transactions, so they can understand what is going on in the organizations. So in both the scenarios, and there is a multiple scenarios, just as an example, this is a very useful tool for every organization. It may be mid-sized organization, it may be big-sized organization, it may be a small-sized organization. So this is a really very helpful for everybody. So all are using Tally. I think once you try these models, and you get the benefit of this. That's it from my side. Deepa, thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bhagwati, for adding on value to today's topic. Yes, people really, this is very, very important and useful for all the owners as well as to the people who work over there. Because ये really बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है कि हमारे टैली में जो फीचर है उसको हम यूज करें सही तरीके से, और कोई एडिशनल मॉड्यूल जब हम ऐड करते हैं हमारे टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा हम सेव कर सकते हैं, साथ के साथ हम अपना फ्लेक्सिबली काम कर सकते हैं। जो भी करेक्शंस है ये सारी चीजें हम खुद ही जब एनालाइज करेंगे हम वहां पे और बहुत ज्यादा विजिबिलिटी के साथ आगे काम कर सकते हैं। So this is what all about today's webinar and topic. But yes, we are here to work 24/7 as well as we are here working with many different softwares and solutions and services. So all togetherly इस टॉपिक के बियॉन्ड मैं बात करना चाहती हूँ। We are providing many different kinds of services for an organization from tip to top to maintain the system, to manage their work, whether it's a sales industry, whether it's a manufacturing industry, whether it's an IT, whether it's an like any other industry, retail, that really doesn't matter. But yes, हम यहाँ सिर्फ आपको सपोर्ट करने के लिए हैं 24/7. Yes, sometimes if we don't, our support team or our sales team or our account managers doesn't pick your call, please do leave a message. और beyond that, आप हमारे वेबसाइट पे जाके देख सकते हो. We have all the forms like published over there, that is callback form or request for a demo, or you can see like we have all the channels icons on your desktop. अगर आप उसको क्लिक करोगे तो डायरेक्ट directly you'll be directed to our page. So this is the very, very flexible part. Do connect us and understand what we do exactly and how things can. यहाँ पे ये जरूर बताना चाहती हूँ, इस सिनारियो में we don't know what is the future. We don't know whether the pandemic is going to extend or this is going to stop here, or there might be anything, any distraction might happen. So at that point of view, I request all the owners or individuals to make your mindset to work virtually, ताकि आपके business कहीं से भी कोई भी effect ना हो जाए. So उसके लिए you are supposed to plan yourself, and you are supposed to decide yourself first that you can also do work from home. You can work virtually anywhere and everywhere by securing your data with the software like Acronix, by managing the complete system of your organization through the CRM like Bittrex, to completely concentrate towards the accounting part with the help of Tally software, and I can say there are many other things, services what we are providing you, like social media. This is very, very important. Digital media has become a very important and prioritized factor for every organization in this moment. So publish all your work, all your processes, systems into social media and get the leads. Rather than working hard outbound way, just get an inbound. आपको सामने से increasing of dedicated account manager according to your organization, और हम आपके पूरे social media channels को set कर देंगे, और साथ के साथ आपको social media platform में क्या डालना है, कैसे उसको manage करना है, सारी चीजें हम आपको सिखाएंगे. Or else even you can give us a bulk information and a bulk commitment wherein we will give you an account manager जो हम ही design करेंगे, हम ही आपके social media maintain करेंगे. And at the same time, to maintain your system, there are many challenges all over India, all over nationally, internationally. Recruitment has become a very big problem. So for that, we are providing a very easy solutions over here. So we just maintain a system. So HR services, it is part of a talent acquisition, how to acquire the right people onto the right job. And beyond that, how to handle the employee grievances. उसके वजह शायद बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ पे ओनर्स होंगे तो उनको समझ कि what is happening in this pandemic scenario. सारी चीजें डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में that is really going to support you. So do connect us to understand all these things in a better way, and we are here to support you and accept our support in a positive way to for the betterment of organization. Well, beyond this, yes, इस pandemic scenario situations को देखते हुए हमने बहुत ज़्यादा ऑफर्स लेके आए हैं. Every week we announce offer on one or the other product. So take the right advantage of those products also. That is really going to help you very much, wherein you can set up the things with the help of these offers as well as the discount. Okay, and beyond this, do connect us for any kind of solutions and services. We are open here. आपको शायद account managers कुछ assign भी हुए होंगे, but instead अगर कोई account manager assign नहीं हुआ तो no problem. You can connect us. We can just have a discussion in depth and we can understand your organization, and we will give a space to understand our organization, and confidently let us hold our hands and just step forward to move ahead and win the world. This is what I must say here, and I just wanted to raise one more thing. People, do you have any questions on to today's topic? If you have any questions, request you to please raise your hand, or please update in the comment box such that we will have a discussion here, or else we can just give you a video for the solutions of your question. Okay, so Mr. Bhagwati, request you to please check onto your comment box if you have any questions. If it is 1 or 2 questions, we can discuss it here, or else we can make a video of it.
No, I think so. Deepa, there is not any questions, so we can.
No problem. Thank you so much, Mr. Bhagwati. And altogetherly, we had come to an end of today's session. I had given much of information here, what we do, how we do, and how things can support you. So request you to please connect us and do follow, subscribe all our social media channels, wherein that will really be very helpful to you. So thank you so much, Mrs. Rajaswal and Ms. Maliha, for the wonderful presentation. And thank you so much, Mr. Bhagwati, for your great concepts, adding information onto today's topic. And thank you so much to all the spectators here who took an time and gave us the space to speak few words here and to share few thoughts here and to share about the product details here. Thank you everyone and stay tuned. Connect you soon in the next webinar. Thank you and see you soon.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you, everyone.